So very great afternoon, dear participants. Today we'll see our last phase, manifesting, of Module 1 from goal setting and coaching. Then this is 1 month value-added course on holistic personality and life skill development, and today is the second last session. Okay, yesterday we have seen coaching, and in today's session we will demonstrate coaching process. So two students will contribute and will demonstrate you the coaching process, how you can coach yourself, self coaching, or how you can coach your peers, or how you can coach your team members, or you can coach your employees. Okay, so you will be knowing much details about the coaching. This value-added course is organized by Center of Excellence in Teaching and Learning of ASSMS College of Engineering, Pune. So let us see our session 9th, which is the process of manifesting success. Are you hearing participants? Participants? Okay, because my network is weak. So call me if something goes wrong. Okay. So we have seen in the third session that what do we mean by manifesting? I told you the meaning of manifesting. So again, I want to revise. So manifesting is intentionally creating what you want. Now you have set your goal areas. You have prioritized your goal areas. You have set your goals. Now we'll see how that goals will come into reality. Okay, so you will create that goals yourself in the reality. So that is process is called as manifesting. So it is bringing something tangible in your life, not so simple. So I told you, don't take a very simple goal, you take very higher goal which is difficult to achieve, but at the same time you take only which can see the results within 2 3 days, so that you can believe the power of these techniques. Okay, so that was the instructions given to you. But even if it could see results within 2 3 days, it should not be so simple. It should be something difficult to achieve and will not depend on your, but control will be in some other's hand. And then you will see by doing all these techniques how you are getting success. So attracting and believing something, thinking it and it will come. So whatever are your goals, you will think that that goal has manifested. Goal is reality now. That is not the future, but goal is the reality now. So I told you, you frame the sentence in positive tense. Now you will pour the thinking, you will pour the beliefs in that your thinking or the thoughts or the sentences, and that's why it will just come into the reality. So it is something higher than willpower or positive thinking. So manifesting is making everything you want to feel and experience a reality via your thoughts, actions, beliefs, and emotions. So you write down what is important now, whatever your sentences are there. In that sentence, you will pour your thoughts. So, how we are pouring thoughts? Coaching. You will ask the questions, you will just coach the others, you will ask questions yourself, you will answer yourself, you will answer other, whoever is your coach and coachee, like mentor and mentee. So you become mentee, you become coach, or you can see coachee, and then you will just pour your thoughts in that goal statements. Okay, then actions and beliefs and emotions also. See, not only beliefs you have to pour, but you have to pour the emotions also. That's why we have seen heart meditation, we have seen visualization technique. Today and tomorrow we'll see third type of meditation. Okay, blended meditation. So, what do we mean by manifesting that we have seen? So, both science based and more spiritual practices. So, what I'm going to tell you today, they are all the science based and more spiritual practices. Okay. So, how we can pour our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs, and we will consciously create something. Okay. So, your dreams or your goals will be manifested. So, what are the my steps of getting success? I told you yesterday, I'm going to tell you about me, how I'm doing that, how I'm getting success, on what I got the success, on what I could not get the success. Because, see, everybody cannot be perfect. We are all human beings, everybody has some limitations. So, all my dreams are also not manifesting. There are some reasons which we need to understand also. So, what are my steps of getting success? Be ready for the change. Suppose you want your paper published, you want to travel some abroad countries, you must be ready for the change for which that will be required to do something, to take some action plans, to change your behavior, your change in your, you can say, attitude or your qualities, personal qualities or communication skills. So be ready for the change. Now, what you want, know what you want. So now you have done goal statement. So at least now you know what you want. Still, I don't think that you know what you want. Still, you have not thought too much on what you want exactly. So that process is rigorous. You cannot just write the sentence in 1 or 2 days. It has to happen for 3 weeks at least, and then you will come to know what you want. Okay, so make a list of goals. So I think now you are ready. That's why you have enrolled in this valued course for the change. Then you know what you want, and now you have made a list of goals. Now, what is the next step? Next step is get rid of restrictive beliefs and feel all the feels. Yesterday, I told you example of one student. She is interested to go foreign, but she is asking me how I will go, how I can manage finance. I don't want to burden my family, and like that. So get rid of your restrictive beliefs. Oh, I cannot do. My stamina is less. My energy is less. I don't have good communication skills. So how I will get good job? Oh, nowadays starting is only 4 lakhs, and how I can get 8 lakhs? No, 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 no. For to get the 8 lakhs, I have to do at least 2 years service. These statements are coming from the goal setting course which are doing. So focus, exactly focus. You don't think practically. Don't use your logical mind. Okay. Don't use your left brain. Don't use brain. You use heart for this such a things. If limitation starts coming, माझं इंग्लिशच नाहीये, मला इंग्लिश बोलता येत नाही, मी कसं काय मग चांगलं जीडी मध्ये बोलू आणि कसं काय मल्टीनॅशनल कंपनीत बोलू, कुठं मला व्यवस्थित बोलता येतंय. असं हे तुम्ही अजिबात विचार करू नका. आतापर्यंत मला एवढे कधी मार्क मिळाले नाही, माझं सोसच होतं अकॅडमिक आणि कसं काय मला गोल्ड मेडल मिळेल, हे सोडून द्या. Get rid of all restrictive beliefs and feel all the feels. Okay. And next step is make action plan of steps you must take to realize your goal. So forget everything practical, logical thinking, restrictions, and you make your action plan as if required for your goals. Don't think, can I work 2 hours? How I am getting 2 times? I'm not 2 hours. I'm not getting 2 hours per day. And how I will just write my action plan sitting for 2 hours and study? No, don't think like that. Make your action plan. Without this, you just cancel it and then implement manifesting techniques. Okay, so action plan will be there and then manifesting techniques you will do. Now, I am reversing this step. I'm just telling you about this manifesting and then I will take at the end tomorrow somewhat little bit action planning. Okay, because this is interesting to know. Okay, manifesting is more interesting, and that's why more hub model I have kept it on third model. So technology of manifesting. Now understand, everything is a miracle until it becomes technology. म्हणजे थोडक्यात आपण म्हणतो जादूटोणा झालाय, चमत्कार झालाय, काहीतरी अंधश्रद्धा आहे, रूढी आहेत, असं काही आहे. तर ते आपल्याला जादू वाटते. कुठपर्यंत जादू वाटते? तर जोपर्यंत आपल्याला त्याचं सायन्स कळत नाही, टेक्नॉलॉजी कळत नाही. नाऊ सायन्स हॅज प्रूव्ड मेनी थिंग्स, मेनी. Suppose I am just thinking at this moment, I am of age 70 years and I am wandering in my garden. So the moment I think I am of 70 years and wandering in my garden, the body secretes the chemical equal to my 70 years age. When I will be at 70 years, what will be my body level? Body secretes that chemical, that state at that moment. So what will be effect on my that thought? Okay, I am of 70 years and wandering in the garden. Wandering in the garden is beautiful, but still at the age of 75 I am just walking. So now science has proved that. And now suppose I am sitting here and somebody you are sitting in a USA, and I will just say that something will I will give signal. You call me, I am just recalling you. The person sitting from USA will call me. You have experienced this and why it happens. That is the science. If you will call to the American person, you can talk very easily. How it happens? You just put the number and you just ring. So why that mobile is required? Without mobile also you can match frequency with that American person's frequency. Here you are using a FM radio. You are hearing the song going on FM. What you are doing? You are just managing frequency. You are just tuning with that frequency. So without instrument, you can tune with any frequency. And that is what you have to learn that techniques. Okay. So all potential exists in quantum field electromagnetically. So today is the area of quantum field, and you have to know about the quantum field, and you have to use this quantum field science, and then see how your life will starts manifesting success will start attracting in your life. Your job is to change the energy to match the potential that exists in quantum field. See, when you just see YouTube, suppose mango juice, you want to see recipe of mango, and you will put recipe of mango, and then mango recipe will starts coming flooding in your mobile on your YouTube. How it happens? Tomorrow also the same will come. Day after tomorrow also will same will come. Because universe, no, that is available in the universe, like cloud computing. So when you are putting mango juice video starts coming to you, means mango recipes are coming to you. How it happens? Because that cloud you are giving signal, oh, I need mango recipe. You are commanding that cloud computing. Where are these all videos stored? They are stored in the cosmic network. Now, as if you know and put on YouTube mango recipe, the same technique you have to use to tell the universe. Now here you have to connect to the YouTube. You have to open to the YouTube. The same way you have to connect to the cosmos. You have to ask the cosmos. If you will not ask the cosmos, nothing will come. Whatever you will ask the cosmos, the same will come. You just go on saying, I cannot do and I don't have time. The cosmos will do same thing. It will put same thing in front of you. I cannot manage time. Same thing it will come to you. Just now, before 5 minutes, I had a call from one staff, and the staff was asking how you are managing time. So many things you are doing. I'm wondering. I said my only one thing is there. Whenever I want to put a work, I just throw 100% in my work. That is one thing, my principle. Second thing, I just create the interest whatever I want. So that is the way I am enjoying. I'm contributing. I'm just contributing and I'm celebrating my contribution. I don't do anything for the competition. These are doing, that are doing, so I must do. No. So it never becomes me work or burden. Okay. So whatever work we are doing, the same thing we are telling to the cosmos. Okay, this is the signal. So YouTube, you are putting mango recipe. So ask the cosmos, connect the cosmos. There are techniques to connect the cosmos. And water meditation, I took heart meditation and this visualization. They are the techniques to connect to the cosmos. Okay. And I told you, you connect the cosmos and then ask the picture, you create a picture. So thoughts are the language of brain, feelings are the language of body. So here we are going to use language of brain and language of body, because I told you heart means body and brain means brain. Left side brain, right side brain, and heart power, all this I have told you. So what is the language of brain? Thoughts. So how you will give signals, how you will get connect to the brain? Your thoughts. And how you will connect to your heart? Your feelings. Just pour the feelings. I will tell you how you'll pour the feelings. Okay. So manifesting technology, look at the things from physics in terms of energy, frequency and vibration. तर आता तुम्ही काय करायचं? तुम्ही इंजिनिअरिंगचे स्टुडंट्स आहात. तुम्हाला काहीही पाहिजे ना, बाकी काहीच करू नका. फक्त तुमची एनर्जी, फ्रिक्वेन्सी, व्हायब्रेशन्स मॅच करा जे काही पाहिजे नाही त्या गोष्टीला. आणि काय काय होतंय मला सांगत चला. सुरुवातीला जमणं अवघड आहे, पण एकदा प्रॅक्टिस झाली की थोडं थोडं जमू लागेल. आणि ही प्रॅक्टिसच आहे, कारण जन्मानुजन्म आपण या जन्मातून फिरत आलो. आपल्यावर काही वेगळे संस्कार झाले, आपल्या वेगळे हॅबिट्स आहेत. इव्हन माझ्या सुद्धा हॅबिट्स आहेत. मला सुद्धा हे जाणीवपूर्वक याला वेळ देऊन बसावं लागतं. जसं मी काल तुम्हाला सांगितलं, कॉलेजमध्ये गेल्या गेल्या बसले. असा एक 5-10 मिनिटाचा वेळ आपल्याला या गोष्टींसाठी काढावाच लागतो. तो केव्हा काढायचा? रात्री झोपण्याच्या आधी काढायचा आणि सकाळी उठल्यावर काढायचा. So with our thoughts, emotions, and feelings, we can do everything. So what Nikola Tesla has said. Nikola Tesla has said, if you wish to find secrets of the universe, think of it in terms of energy, frequency, vibration. Everything is made of energy, and that energy is vibrating at certain frequency. So this is the science. Okay, this is the science.